Okay, so one by one, so we'll go one by one, so then we can easily cover everything. Okay, so if I said like this is important, that is important, meanwhile we are skipping so many things. VPN, actually on VPN I have a separate video is also there. So actually because it's a common question in a VPN nowadays, guys. um, Everybody is working from home, right? It's a virtual joinings are there. So once you're joining in a organization, you have to work. Okay, so if you want to work, like I have to work in my organization, for me no problem. Why? Because I can work anywhere, because I'm not connecting to any of the servers. Okay, any of the servers running in the my organization, right? In a Savantis Hyderabad, or maybe in a Savantis New Jersey, or maybe Exton, or maybe Sri Lanka, whatever it is. So I'm not connecting any of their servers. I'm open a website like a Microsoft website or a Office kind of stuff, or a Savantis website. I'm logging only through internet, able to access kind of stuff only I'm using. Okay, for my work I don't require to connect their servers. But for example, I'm developing some application on a my organization server. Okay, there is my organization. I have a server. I'm developing an application. I'm developing an application. Okay, so for a developing application, I required certain services, server related services, maybe database services, maybe certain things like a network related kind of stuff is required, right? So what I have to do, I have to go to my office, how to connect my server either directly or through network, not internet, guys. I'm telling network means LAN network, not internet network. Okay, through network or maybe through directly connect it. So connect to the databases, applications, run, develop, testing, all these things I will do it, right? So what happening here? Because I'm in the same LAN network, so I don't need to follow any outside security protocols. No need to worry about firewalls. No need to worry about tapping of data. No need to worry about encryption, no encryption kind of stuff. Public communication related threats. I need to worry. I no need to worry about those things because of my server and me and my desktop, my laptop in the same LAN network, same LAN network only. So we are in a completely private network. Okay, right? So I don't need to worry about anything, any threats from the public network. Guys, understand this point? I should work in my LAN network. Understand that point? So you and your server in the same LAN network. This is you. This is your server. This is your laptop or desktop, whatever it is. You are here. Both are in a same LAN network. Okay, so this is my server, for example my database server. Okay, my database server. So my Oracle database is running here. I connected from my PC. Okay, I connected from my PC. I have a server related application is there. So means client application is there. I connected to my database server. That application, both are syncing. Both are in a same LAN network. So I no need to worry about public threats like a internet. Through internet someone will hack my system, someone will tap my data, Okay, I should use some encryption kind of stuff. Some securities have to, extra securities we have to take care. So we are not need to worry about it, right? Understand this point or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you are in a LAN network, either you connect directly or you're connected to network. So either way, you're in a same LAN network only. Okay. Next. So this is my main office. I have some branch office. I have some branch office is there. There I have a small server is also there. Maybe there is a small user is also there. So whatsoever it is there. Okay. So this is a user, maybe a user, maybe there is a another backup server, or maybe a secondary server. This is a primary server, that is a secondary server. Like a there is a server, not a DB. Secondary server, think like that. That is also in some private network. Okay. Now this is in a branch office, very important branches. For example, this is in Hyderabad. This is in Bangalore, for example. Okay. This is in a Bangalore. Now what I have to do? So I have to contact my ISP provider. Okay. This ISP provider, internet service provider, what he will do? Okay. Internet service provider, what he will do? He'll create a dedicated connection. He'll create a dedicated connection between this office to this branch office. So we'll create a dedicated connection. Okay, so that is leisure line. So we use a leisure line for communicating. Already I showed no T1, T2, E1, E2. These are the standards. Okay, dedicated lines. Okay, exchanges will take care of that one. How to put it? So dedicated. So what are the data it is there? The data is directly, okay, this system from this network, like you can say like this, connected directly to the server, okay, to this server or a network. Okay, so otherwise you can use connected to your network directly. Okay, or symbolically we can put it internal network. This is a network symbol actually, like this. So it is connected to everyone. Same thing goes here also. Same thing will connect to our network or directly a server. So what happened? So whatever the data, you put here, same data will be replicated. That is my configuration. Not always. I'm not saying always. I'm saying it is my configuration. Understand one type of configuration, you understand everything. So same data will be replicated. I add a one name here. That name will be added here. Synchronization, backup kind of stuff. Okay. Whatever the data it is, that is my configuration is like that. User can access from here, or user can access from here also, because we have a dedicated lines. Now, two scenarios. One is user not in the office. User is in the home. User not in the office. User is in the home. Okay. Or maybe there is a branch office which is very small. It cannot offer the dedicated lines. You can't put a dedicated lines for that one. Okay. You can't put a dedicated lines, leisure lines, you can't able to put it. So like a user in a home, user in a branch office. Okay, it's very difficult. It is a main office, for example, corporate office. Main office, corporate network, what are the put it? This is a branch. Branch office. This is home. Okay, work from home kind of stuff. This is also a small branch. It is also a branch. Now these people cannot. We can't put these leisure lines always. So what I will do, we can able to connect through internet. We can able to connect through internet. The problem with the internet is not secure. The problem with internet is not secure. So we can connect through internet. Okay, so we can use different symbols, but we have a very limited number of symbols are there. This is okay. So the cloud represents in the networking is internet, not cloud. Okay, the cloud representation is internet, not cloud. Okay, guys. So you can connect through internet. Through internet, you connected to your office. At your office, there is a server called a VPN server. There is a server called a VPN server. Sometimes we use firewalls or a dedicated hardware VPN servers. Like a firewalls also we can use it for a VPN servers purpose. Okay, so Microsoft servers like that also there. So we can see VPN server. VPN server. What is VPN? What is VPN, guys?
Virtual private network.
Very good. Virtual private network. Okay. VPN server means virtual private network. Very good. Now what I have to do? I can connect through internet to my corporate office. If I connect like this, it is unsecure. So I have to connect through VPN server. So VPN server provide a service called a VPN service. It means through internet you are connecting, but it is virtually a private network. So how these leisure lines are private in the dedicated private lines. So same thing through internet in the public we can communicate in a private communication, like a private communication. We can communicate through public internet. Internet means public, through public internet. Okay, like like a private network virtually. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so virtually we are doing this one. So how it is possible, we'll see that one. Of course, what we do with the VPN. So we got a lot of things, right? So what we can able to do with it. For example, we are working from home. You have a database connector application is there, or maybe DB connector is there. You have to do some work with your database server. Your branch office also you have a server, or maybe a laptop or desktop, something is there. Okay, now through VPN, so you are connecting to your server. Okay, we are first go through internet, and through VPN we can able to communicate. So this is what happened? So what are the database here we can able to access from our branch office. Okay guys, so this is what happens. But mechanism is different. The mechanism, the way you will get it, so it's different. So how we'll connect? First of all, you have to establish this connection to VPN server. VPN server verify username. Yeah, you should have a username, password. Okay, the lot of verification is there, so that's why I'm putting like this: username, password. Okay, your connection name. Connection name is yourself only. Connection name is not important. Connection name, important one is, yeah, of course. Establish a connection to the VPN server with the VPN server domain name. It means fqdn, fully qualified domain name, or IP address. Okay, IP address should try to establish. VPN server once receive, verify your username, domain name, tunnel protocol. Okay, encryption method, encryption and authentication method. Authentication. Okay, what is the encryption method and authentication methods? It will verify. Once verified, VPN server establish a private network. At least a IP address also is different to client. PC or a device. You can use PC or device. Sometimes it is mobile phones also there. VPN mobile. Okay. So what happened to that remote server? You are connecting through WAN. Okay. So establishment will be there. So like this. So what happened? First you will get authenticated here. Okay. First you should get authenticated. So first of all you have to connect it. You have to connect it means in the public you have a IP address or a domain name, something will be there. So you have to tell how to connect it. So give the connection name, then reach here, username, password, push tunneling protocol, like that. It will verify all the details. Everything is correct. Then it will authorize, authenticate you and authorization. Both are there, guys. Remember, authentication means username, password kind of stuff is correct. You are verified. You are a original person. Authorization, you allowed to access. You allowed to access. Authentication means did you buy a ticket or not? Okay, authentication means are you same name? Do you buy a ticket? So correct ticket or not? That is authentication. Authorization, are you allowed to access or not access? That is authorization. Authentication, authorization. Authentication, verifying user identity. Verifying identity is called authentication. Authorization, giving access is authorization. Okay. Next. Okay. So once it is done, the VPN server will establish a dedicated connection over internet only. a dedicated connection will be there through your PC. You'll get different type of IP address. You'll get a different type of IP address. Completely, you are in a tunnel only. It is like it is look like you are connected in a some different private network. You are connected to public network only, but it is look like you are connected to different network. So that is what VPN will do. Through this one only, it will make you connected to your server. Through this one only, it will make you connected to your server. Okay, so this is how VPN works. Only small things I want to add it. This is an explanation, guys. This is an explanation. If you want to read, you can read it if you like it. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
from economical point of view, using of leisure lines is more costly now, sir, than VPNs.
Leisure line is very cost.
Then why we not switch to VPN, sir? Why we use
Yes,
leisure lines?
already lot of places, mainly like small branches office or maybe work from home. VPN we will do it. Okay, VPN we will do it. In leisure lines, still we are using. Why we are using leisure line? It is a dedicated lines. It means why? What is the difference between using internet and leisure line in a bandwidth related one? Very good question. So tell me in a bandwidth related. I told already. You are going on highway. Bandwidth. I'm internet, right? I'm in internet. I'm going on a highway. Highway means very broad roads are there. So morning 6 o'clock, I took a bike or a car. How much speed I can able to go? Zoom, right? Very fast we can. So 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers, 5-10 minutes we can reach very easily. Then 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So what is the difference? What happens at 8:30, 9, 10? Which area your belongs to? Hyderabad or anything?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad city area, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Like you take any city, Hyderabad. Full access. At 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, full traffic. Same road, road is not changing, right? Road is not changing, traffic is increasing. So obviously you have to go very slowly. 20 kilometers per hour, 10 kilometers per hour, brakes, brake, clutch gear kind of stuff only, right? So what happened? Obviously, traffic increases, speed decreases, right? The bandwidth automatically, you are not feeling it. You got a 50 Mbps or 100 Mbps. Traffic increases, slow connection. Understand that point, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, broadband connections. But what is the leisure lines? Leisure line means I give you a road. I give you a road. It is not very big road, but a normal road only. Like you can fit one car in that one, or maybe one bike with a little bit space. One bike. Okay. So I given full way, like no traffic, no signal, no junction points. Directly a 50 kilometers line. What you will give? Imagine yourself. You are in a simple line. No one is there. No traffic, nothing, no packets. How much speed you can able to travel? Okay, all your imagination, like you when you see an advertisement, so you'll become a James Bond, or maybe you become a Fast and Furious candidate. Okay, right? How much speed you can able to go? Okay, right or wrong? So people give like a 100 kilometers per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, because no traffic, nothing, no one is stopping you. It is the direct line is dedicated for you. Dedicated for you. It means the speed you will travel. So that's why leisure lines are very important because of dedicated lines. 10 Mbps means 10 Mbps only. 50 Mbps means 50 Mbps guarantee you will get it. But in a broadbands, 100 Mbps means 100 Mbps, maybe 90, maybe 80, maybe 10, maybe nothing. There is a lot of possibilities. For example, evening time, all employees will come back like 4:30, 5, 6 o'clock. Obviously, the internet speed is dropped, immediate drop there. Up to night, people are watching TVs and mobile phones kind of stuff, right? Internet will be drop in my area. So what I have to do? Nothing. Okay, we can't do anything. Simply it is because of broadband. That's the thing, difference between a broadband internet connection to leased line. Leased lines are dedicated. 10 Mbps means 10 Mbps. So obviously no traffic blocking. So you can able to transfer the data very fastly. Lesser the speed, but better the performance. Okay, that is one. And your question is, so why we still using a leased lines? Because of VPNs also doing same job. That's correct. The VPNs also doing same job. The thing is, VPN we are using over the internet. Over the internet. Of course, VPNs are very secure. VPNs are encrypted. VPNs are no trapping kind of stuff. Okay, a fully authenticated network. Of course, right? No problem in the VPN. But still, VPNs are we are using over broadband internet connection. So obviously, broadband again, it is timely manner. Certain times less traffic, certain times more traffic, certain times completely disaster traffic also there. Okay, sometimes like that will happens, right? Sometimes no traffic, sometimes less traffic, sometimes more traffic, sometimes more traffic. So in a timely, the you want to synchronize between one server to another server. You want to synchronize between, one second. Okay. Okay, you want to connect from your system to your remote server, or you want to synchronize the data from one server to another server through VPN. So obviously the load of a traffic may cause the problem, right? So that's why leased lines are very important. If you are unable to offer, or maybe you are unable to use leased lines, in that cases you can use VPN. Okay, you can use VPN. So that's the difference. Very good. So VPN, I didn't ask you understand or not also. Guys, understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tunnel protocols or tunneling protocols are there. So you can verify once, guys, once we are told, you can also verify that one. So there are different type of tunneling protocols. PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, L2TP, layer 2 tunneling protocol, SSTP, secure socket tunneling protocol, layer 2 tunneling protocol, secure socket protocol, point-to-point tunneling protocol, IKE, internet key exchange is there. Some are using GRE. GRE means like a Cisco routers will use GRE kind of stuff. Maybe one or two different protocols also there, but these are the standard protocols as you know in a Microsoft. EMS CHAP is one of the CHAP. There is a different type of authorization methods, like a username, password verification kind of stuff is there, like a PAP, PAP. Common thing is PAP, password authentication protocol. CHAP, challenge handshaking authentication protocol. Challenge handshaking authentication protocol. It is a three-way handshaking protocol. Three-way authentication protocol. It is a PAP is authentication protocol, secure, but CHAP is more secure than PAP. MSCHAP is much secure than CHAP. Okay, like this. And also some encryption method, encryption on, encryption no, AES, WES kind of encryption methods, RSA tokens. RSA token kind of stuff, encryption methods also there are using. So these are I just given a words. So here these are the tunneling protocols. Okay, these are authentication methods. This is encryption methods. Okay, I'm not writing anything. Just mama, this is not getting. Okay. So you can also try to find out what is these things. Okay. So that's the thing, guys. So what is this? What is that? What is that one? Okay. So I am trying to put a one figure. So that's why I written like this. So I think you will get clarity. Usually you should go and access your server. Not possible because work from home. You should connect it to your VPN server. Through VPN you should access. Okay. Practically, I can practically we don't have any servers here. The connection establishment, but already I told that one. So, but now it is enough. Guys, understand VPN how it is works?
Yes, sir.
Virtual private network. So compulsory give the answer in the interview. Okay. So here it also some explanation is given. If you want, you can read it also, but not given the protocol kind of stuff. So that is also you can try. You can try like not always only we read any material kind of stuff. Not always required, guys. So you can try to learn. Yeah, that's it about a VPN. Okay. Yeah. Again, just relax for 5 minutes. So